Every month, we never forget the important things. The electricity bill gets paid, the school fees go out, the rent is transferred, the EMI gets deducted. Because some things don't need motivation, they just need a system. Now imagine if investing worked the same way. That's exactly what a systematic investment plan, or SIP, is or does. It is a disciplined way of investing a fixed sum in a mutual fund scheme at regular intervals, such as weekly, monthly, or quarterly. You can even start with as little amount, because there's one thing that often gets left behind: our future, our financial goals. Not because we don't care, but because there's always something more urgent today. With an SIP, your investments continue at regular intervals, regardless of whether markets are up or down. When markets rise, the value of your investments tends to grow. When markets decline, the same investment amount buys more units. This is known as Rupee Cost Averaging. By investing a fixed sum at regular intervals, you purchase more units when prices are lower and fewer units when prices are higher, helping average the purchase cost of your investments over time. Another key benefit of investing through an SIP is the power of compounding. It is the process wherein reinvestment of the returns generated by your investments leads to wealth generation over long term. That's why starting early and staying invested can make a meaningful difference to your long-term wealth creation journey. With an SIP, you don't have to wait for the perfect time to invest. The system keeps working. You keep investing over months, years. Small, regular investments have the potential to grow into something bigger in disciplined way. A child's education, a home, a vacation, a second inning with financial freedom, or simply financial confidence. And because life changes, your SIP can too. You can increase your investment contribution by opting the SIP top-up facility. SIP top-up is a facility that lets you automatically increase your mutual fund investment by a fixed amount or percentage at predetermined intervals, usually annually. It scales your investments in line with your income. Wealth isn't created overnight. It's built through disciplined investing over time. Start your SIP today and take the first step towards achieving your financial goals. Stay informed, stay invested. For more information, you can visit our website www.canararobeco.com or contact your mutual fund distributor or advisor.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.